Goddamn. Hey, hold on. I like it when she, I like it when she,
Yeah, let's get it.
Come on, one fool.
Hell nah.
I would never eat from these niggas. Just off of this fucking 9-second intro, I'm not eating from these niggas. Why would you do that? Yo. Wait, what? I only got one food truck.
New York niggas is always extra, bro. What we gonna do today, bro? Since y'all from the Bronx, right? Y'all both from the Bronx?
Yeah.
What part of the Bronx you from?
167.
What part you from?
Uptown.
Both y'all niggas pussy.
I got you, gang. I got you. Where you from?
Nah.
Pussy. I understand, bro. I really be cooking. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not a cook, but I be cooking. You know how you got a skill that you have, but you don't know you have it? That's me. The fuck is you looking at, my nigga?
Look, nobody believes in us. You know what I'm saying? Nobody believes in us, bro.
Absolutely.
They think.
Niggas said not even us.
But we gonna prove these niggas wrong, all right?
And ourselves wrong.
Right? We gotta work hard, bro. We got this, bro. This is easy, my brother. Okay? Roscoe Chicken Soup.
Waffle House soup?
Hey, Chris and Davis, on 3.
I definitely told myself.
Davis and Chris. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm.
I grew up in a household where my mom could always cook for me and my dad could always cook for me. So I know I got potential. But why are we always talking about cooking? You know what I'm saying? Why are we not talking about the political and economical state of the world?
Shut your lame ass up, nigga. I hate this nigga Chris. Always some bullshit.
Order in the court. All right, bet. Let's get it poppin'.
Hey, Duke, if you don't pay attention, we're done. We're done.
We done anyway, bro.
Whoa.
No.
Whoa.
You can cook though, I ain't tripping.
Yeah, have a little bit of faith, man.
I can cook too.
Yeah, say it. I want to hear you say it.
I can do anything I put my mind to.
I like that. Y'all want to know my stats? I've successfully cooked 0 meals. I've almost burned 3 homes down. And my food is almost always undercooked or overcooked. There's no in between.
Oh, chopped cheese.
Nah, grabbing it in one hand is crazy, but grabbing it with 2.
Yo.
This is what we gonna do. We're gonna cut that in half. One of y'all cut it in half. Who's gonna do it?
He go with meats, bro. You know how to handle it, bro.
Hey, yo.
Half on this one, half on this one. Go ahead.
Okay. All right. And first of all, once again, I just want to say fuck Agent, because he's my biggest hater, bro. Nigga, only thing I can't do shit, you ass. You so ass, bro. Where's my mother? You're trash, bro.
Where I put it?
Right there. Everything?
Yeah.
Everything.
Put the plastic. Thank you. I will let you cut this, but the way you held that knife, dog.
Bro, I got you,
Nah, I'm good, bro.
Nah, let him do it. Let him do it for the one time.
Bro, I want.
Let's see. Let's see.
All right.
Yo, take the knife from this nigga. Take the knife from this nigga. Take the knife from this nigga. He's going to kill somebody. Take the knife from this nigga.
Come on, I need you to tighten the fuck up. You on my team, nigga. Come on, he just said it. You literally just said it, bro.
I think the first time I cooked was in the first AMP video when y'all tried to make me swallow that worm. Hey, yo, what the fuck? I was not doing that.
You need this?
Nah, brother.
Hey, bro, if you gonna hand it to him, you gotta hand it like this right here. Safety.
I was never in the military.
Yeah.
They didn't teach me.
See, I don't want to say about y'all country, you guys, man. I like that.
Yeah, manners.
None though, man. Shit, my mama know how to cook though. She probably one of the best cooks in the hood. Everybody go to my mama's house, you know what I'm saying? Oh, you know what I'm saying? She cooking, we going there, but I ain't never cooked, so fuck it.
¿Dónde está mi negro amigo? ¿De dónde está mi negro amigo? Sometimes I was burning the bacon and shit. Huh? I used to burn the bacon. Taste it. Yo, what the fuck? You eating raw meat? You eating raw?
Out of pocket for that shit. Way out of pocket.
Yeah.
Hey. Good job, nigga. Good job, nigga.
Got the paper in there, my boy.
I looked in the previous love and cooking video, and Davis can't cook, so I'm gonna have to carry the nigga, I guess. It's just something that anytime Davis on your team, you just gotta carry the nigga. So I'm gonna just do my best to pull most of the leverage, you know what I'm saying? And what we cooking today?
Egg salad, you want to use a really nice, flavorful tomato.
some shit.
It's nice to get locally grown tomatoes. We're gonna cut them in
Ain't
waves.
no way.
Now, a serrated knife,
That's what we doing?
this is actually
One sec.
tomato knife, is
Duke has no cooking ability. That's fine.
You
We'll
got
cheat
DoorDash
most
in
likely
the back.
regardless. Duke orders DoorDash all day, every day, or Uber Eats. I don't know what his app of choice is. What I do know is he does that shit 5 times a day. So there's a good chance that'll probably be part of our strategy going forward.
All of these niggas be talking and walking and niggas be talking about me. All of my niggas gon' ride on this side and they tell me that nigga
I think Chris could be potentially a good partner. Will he get injured? If he finds a way to like mess up his finger or tear his you never know.
Oh shit!
His ACL.
Get in there.
Nigga,
Not a nigga right here. Nigga right here pause, bro. He's
don't
wild,
play
bro.
with me.
None of us like tomatoes.
It's alright.
Like, I take them out most of the time. You know what I'm saying? This just, what is that?
You know what I'm saying? Like, I probably fucked up a little bit on this, but my shit look immaculate.
I feel like there should be a machine that can cut the stuff for us, though.
My mans, what the fuck you doing right there?
Oh, that's my dog. He be in there cooking. He got a little weird, food. You know what I'm saying? Choices. I seen the nigga eating. What the nigga eating? What, steak and watermelon and on some other shit. I'm like, psh, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, I think my dog can cook. Y'all seen him cooking salmon the other day too.
Yeah, chop it up. Yeah, chop it up. Yeah, chop it up.
Oh, how much? How small them shits need to be?
Asian food, he not him. You know what I'm saying? He's not him. Kai Phantom is where things get a little mixy. You know what I'm saying? Because Phantom, he got the experience. You know, he got the pass. He has the credentials. You know what I'm saying?
You better make this the Aki way. The Aki way. Hey, bro, I want to chop cheese. The Aki way. I want to chop cheese on the roll. Yo, Bruce. I want to chop cheese on the roll. The Aki way.
No. Chill.
Why would you do that?
Did he have?
Oh, he actually is. Why would you do that?
Oh my fucking god.
Bro.
Oh my god. This
Why
is real. That's real. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Fucking guy.
This
Shit out. Yo, I thought you took your finger off, bro.
Nah, niggas.
Do we need to, let's stop, hold on, wait a second. Who the fuck likes tomatoes? Do we need tomatoes? You ever cut yourself before, cut tomatoes?
I had the full Gumby at one point. My shit was gone.
Yeah.
Like, I don't feel nothing here.
Oh, you're like, your nerves and shit fucked up.
You're winning right now.
Like I do, I used to put it in a girl's thing. I never felt that right there, so she used to love it.
Wow.
She used to twirl it around. I ain't feel shit.
Don't you want to feel something?
I mean, nah, when you're in that deep.
How can you tell if you're on the clit if you can't feel?
I ain't talking about the clit, dog.
You talking about the ass, my boy.
Oh, you're a freak. I'm not concerned about no other teams, I'll be honest with y'all. Whatever team Davis is on is gonna make an inedible meal. Let's start there. So, Davis team off the rip, don't worry about it.
Nah. You want to serve me that when I'm fine. Like, yo, who top cheese is that? That's me right there.
I'm showing you how to make it. This is my shit. I'm hungry as hell.
Nigga here.
Nigga, we on the line. What the fuck are you doing? Yeah, nigga, we on the line. You're not about to skip me on this line, nigga. Where my money?
Y'all don't have to be in this video, if we're being honest. You guys are not gonna win.
Agent, you're not gonna win because Phantom is better than you. Like,
Don't
Phantom
gaslight
is
this
way
nigga,
better.
bro.
No,
Yeah,
Phantom is
nah.
way better
Talk
than
to that
you.
nigga.
And you are the worst cooker in
Talk to him.
AMP.
Talk to him.
You are
Talk
the
to
worst
him.
cooker in AMP.
Why this nigga lame,
Get
bro?
out.
Talk to him. Get it.
Hey,
Talk
Mo,
his shit.
you gotta help these guys out, bro.
Bro.
Your man's right here was throwing the knife around like he was fucking a lecturer and shit. He was fucking the fuck out.
Watch it.
No.
Yo, everybody run. Everybody get the fuck out of here. Yo, chill, everybody get out of here.
Ain't none of my business. You know what I'm saying? The world will be a way better place. People just mind their own business. They ain't got nothing to do with me, so that ain't my concern.
He about to just jam the meat in there and make it look juicy.
Whoa.
He asking me the same shit, dog.
Who?
How that shit gonna fit?
Why you telling us that though? Like,
Yo.
damn. Hold on. He be getting down and dirty. The Aki way.
Yo, these niggas.
Oh!
Oh my God. Yo, get him back, get him back, get him back, get him back. Fight back, nigga. Fight back. Yo, come on. Fight back. Oh my God damn it, Chris.
Ow!
He hit you with that pillow? Uh-oh. Chris, you know what pillow you got hit with? That's the cum pillow.
Hey. Send his ass to God. Send his ass. Send his ass to God. Send his ass. Send his ass to God. Send his ass to God. Send his ass to God. Yeah, I'm the illest on the block, and I told him love, and you know we
Nigga.
Nigga, is there socks in here?
Is there a sock in here?
Nigga.
No. Oh no. Oh no.
It up, nice and slow, and put stuff in it. You feel me?
Of course.
And just pat it down a little
But like, what if you ain't got that much
Yeah,
experience?
when it comes to
Like with that type of shit.
bit. Then you just stuff it.
Like what you mean?
Stuff it, bro. You
Like,
open it up and you
like
stuff
hard?
it. Yeah, like
Are we talking about food, guys?
Yeah,
Okay.
man.
I'm sorry.
Lock in,
Yeah,
tweak
my
the
fault.
fuck out.
That fucking guy.
these niggas. If we actually shoot that shit in, yo, I can't stand these niggas.
Let's go! This
Fucking bozo. Oh, that shit looks delicious.
But this is a fucking lobster type shit. You talking about glizzy, you know?
You do know lobsters are bottom feeders, right?
I don't know
What's that
what
mean?
they is.
I don't know what that means.
So when whales take a shit and everything take a shit and it falls to the bottom of the ocean, that's when lobsters be eating, bro.
Why would you tell us that before we? You should
Yeah,
have kept that to yourself.
yeah,
You should
nigga
have told us
food.
that right there,
This
man.
shit busting, bro.
Now what you want to do is you want to grab a little bit of this mayonnaise.
Okay.
Hey,
Whoa.
hold on real quick. I gotta
Whoa, dude.
The mayonnaise go crazy. Think I'll still put mayonnaise on my shit. I don't give a fuck.
Hold on. Keep it all the way 1,000.
Yeah, 100 or 1,000?
1,000.
1,000.
You eat mayonnaise sandwiches, don't you?
Mayonnaise sandwich.
Nah, mayonnaise sandwiches is crazy.
I'm not eating no mayo sandwich.
$50.
$100 right now. You eat a mayonnaise sandwich.
Sandwich.
No.
Chef Mo, you better stop playing
The
with these
mayonnaise
niggas.
sandwich
So how's
is
the wife and
crazy.
kids, baby?
Everything's been going good, man. You know, just got the new crib. Now we gotta, lawn landscaping. Yeah. You know, the dog's sick.
Yeah, my wife cheating on me.
She is again?
I think you're ready for the food.
Nigga, what?
Yep.
Wait, we didn't do the shrimp.
You're on your own on the shrimp, my brother.
I'm such an admirer of your work, man.
Yeah, man.
I
You on
swear,
that
bro,
nigga's
it's
dick.
just like you're a legend in these streets, bro.
Shrimp easy as fuck.
Easy as fuck.
I've been watching TikToks on like food, and they always say like shrimps is, bro. They don't take it
Easy.
long, bro. They don't take
You know what, man? I got an air fryer.
Chef motherfucking Mo. Say it again. Say it again. Motherfucking Mo. And you know what I'm saying? Niggas ain't fucking with you, bro.
Yo, what he said? Back then they didn't want me, now they. Back then they didn't want me, now they all on me. KC3's fed with the motherfucking kid in the boom, nigga.
That nigga's his ass.
Yo, get out!
It's like cat food, bro. Nah, you a hating ass.
Get sturdy, nigga.
Hey, you can hear his footsteps.
I'm trying to congratulate y'all.
Oh, thank you.
You know what I'm saying? Even though y'all treated me like shit, made me eat a meal sandwich.
That's crazy.
But you did give me a little something for that, so I appreciate it. There you go, brother.
What's this right here?
That's your apron, dog.
Word?
Word.
Graduated from the motherfucking street,
Yes, sir. There you go. And it's an urban apron. You see that?
This nigga here.
Graduated from the motherfucking.
Why nigga snatch shit like that?
Congratulate you, all right, man.
Nigga, fool. How you got a bone in your sandwich?
That motherfucker busting, nigga.
And I never eat. Why you got a bone in your sandwich? Like, bone's supposed to be in a piece, nigga.
Congratulations, you just said the stupidest shit I have heard all day. Like the fact that you put those words together in a sentence and thought that shit was okay, crazy, absolutely crazy.
What's good with this nigga? They got bones in the sandwich. You only supposed to find that shit in your pizza. What's wrong with this nigga?
Now do this. Now do this.
I ain't doing that. Come on, man. I ain't doing that. I'm Millie Rock. What the fuck was that? I'm not doing that. Nah.
Nigga, what the
I hit you with the old school shit. Nah, let me hit you with some of that. Right?
Nigga,
Nigga.
He got us some Micah Mary aprons. Nah! These is jeans. Hold on. I got my shit Dior.
Alright, you did alright. I mean, I prayed for you on that truck, the whole knives in there. Alright, bro? There you go, man.
Boy, this is a fire apron, my brother.
I'm an Avenger now.
Only from Chef Mo himself, bro. Oh my God, bro. Be more fucking hype. Chef Mo just gave you that.
Thank you, Chef Mo. What's up, bro? From the bottom of my heart, this means so much to me.
Yeah.
Listen, look. I will make you proud.
Yeah.
Thank you, brother.
By
Thank
any
you.
means possible.
Yes. Cool.
Hey, bro. Get sturdy, nigga.
For real?
Get sturdy. Get sturdy right now, bro.
Nigga here.
Hey, get sturdy right now.
Hey!
Oh, hold on.
That butter smells so good, bro. Come on. Andale. Let's use that little kid to attract customers. Let's do that. Yo, with that little nigga. Hey, look. I'll make you 10 cents an hour if you tell everybody about this food truck, all right?
Nigga's a 10 cent an hour.
Like, yeah, like,
Nigga,
hey,
it's food.
got a food truck here. Make sure y'all pull up, all right?
So we got
Top cheese. You ever heard of top cheese?
No. You gonna have one today?
New York style. You gonna have one today for free on the house. But make sure you around. We gonna give it to you.
Oh, shit. Are you going all right?
No, right here. Okay, Mr. B. Goddamn, Mr. B. Hold on. Okay.
Yeah.
Chop cheese. I said, let me get a chop cheese. I said, chop cheese. Hold on, you wildin' right there. Hey, yo. Throw this on the book, nigga.
Yo!
You want to make the dream work like this?
I mean, I don't eat chopped cheese, but it should not look brown.
Chopped cheese, Dolan?
I ain't never had a chopped cheese. I'm from LA. I don't think we have.
Ever heard of a chopped cheese? No. Oh, man, you're not living. You ain't never been to New York?
I don't like New York.
What?
Oh, so what's
What you
that
mean?
chopped cheese?
What you mean you don't like New York?
Hold
on. What? Fuck you mean you don't like New York? What's going on, dog? We got chopped cheese and stuff on the house.
On the house?
On the house. Yeah, everybody like 20.
So I'm gonna tell the camera. I ain't never had a chopped cheese in my life. And I'm judging, so I hope it's good.
Oh, it's gonna be good. Trust me, it's gonna be good. You gonna have that love. You feel me?
Okay, well look, I'll be ready.
Alright, I'm gonna holler at you safely. I think she was on your dick, bro. I think she was on my dick. She was on your dick. Nah,
Nigga's here.
like that. Chop it up. Yeah, man.
Wait, what?
Hey, you gonna get it the Aki way. Now you gonna eat it the Aki way.
Hey,
You gotta have it. You gotta have it. You gotta have it. You gotta have it.
I'll say about 20, 25.
Hold on. Hey. Come on. One food.
That shit look like muscle, nigga.
Nigga, you know me, nigga. Hey, free food in the house. Pull up.
Yo!
Yeah. You get some, all right? You get, hey, come get your, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Bad drinks. Over here, that's bad drinks.
Here you go. What's your name, brother? Here you go, here. On the house. Be careful, here. Nice little Arizona for you.
Go on about it, bro.
How that motherfucker taste, gang?
Niggas busting that shit.
Yeah.
Niggas so busting that
I want
shit
you to think about it
down.
real quick. Let me know how that motherfucker tastes, man. New York to the A. Come on. Yo.
That nigga smoking a bogey?
Yes, sir. Get this. Hold on. Get that. How that motherfucker taste, gang? How that motherfucker taste, gang? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That motherfucker tastes good, right? Hey, shut your ass up, little nigga.
Yo.
How was Cars and Phantoms bodega?
Like, I say like a good 9.5.
9.5?
9.5 out of 20?
Yeah, 9 out of 50.
Oh, wait, you said 50?
That was out of 50.
Yeah.
No, but it's too late.
You're locked in on 9.5.
Yo, nigga.
On a scale from 9 to 10, you know, how was his sandwich? How was his sandwich, my brother?
I mean, come on, bro. You know I'm
You
go fire.
It was fire?
He didn't even finish it. He stopped eating it. He started eating something else.
Yeah.
Bro, come on.
Yeah.
He was eating a prank more than a damn sandwich.
Yo!
I ain't gonna lie, you was eating the glizzy more than the sandwich.
If you like the glizzy, it's okay.
To 50. How was the show?
9 to 50?
Yeah.
I get a song about 45.
11. He said
look up him. The fried.
44 out of 100.
Fried 10 out of 10.
Ooh, 5.
Fried the main track.
10 out of 50? Oh,
Okay,
nah,
okay,
let's go.
No, 10 out of 10.
Yeah, we heard you. 10 out of 50. All right, back.
10 out of 50.
We got you.
Yo, nigga, food.
They hold on. They about to make some food too. It's three companies. Oh wait, hold on. What you say?
We don't want that.
Oh yeah. Hold on. What y'all saying?
We don't want theirs.
All right, say it a little bit louder. Y'all don't want who's?
Theirs.
Oh, y'all don't want them niggas?
No.
Okay. Now
Nigga,
you gotta
God.
make it. Hey, look.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying
We
to
got right here, we got the chopped cheese special coming straight out the Bronx from the Bronx era. You feel me? Zona. Now I want y'all to inspect it. Look what you know what I'm saying. How it look? How it look? It's a New York signature. The chopped cheese. Have you ever heard of chopped cheese? No. I've never heard of a chopped cheese.
Once or twice.
Okay, once or twice.
It looked like In-N-Out.
No, don't compare us to them niggas.
Hold on. Slow it down.
Like a bootleg, and I see what you. Yeah, I see.
It's like
Yeah, just that's not quite there. But no, we gonna try it. We gonna.
Hey, look, we don't got time for no games. This
Go
is
ahead
real
and bite
shit.
that in. Go ahead, do that there. First bite.
Okay, I'm
Can I try the fries first or not?
Yeah, try whatever you want.
I bet.
I suggest the chopped cheese first.
We got rolls and shit.
The fries are good.
Fries is fine, yeah.
Fries are good.
If you make bad fries, self-delete yourself in GTA. If you are a food company and you make bad fries, self-delete yourself in GTA. Like, delete your character build. Delete the whole game. That is just. I don't even know what to say. That's just. Your existence is fire. Making bad fries, your existence is fire. Like, for real.
Go take a bite. Hey, Peach, go take a nice bite in that.
Everything else can be asked. If your fries is dog shit, delete yourself.
It is like In-N-Out.
And your company in GTA.
Look, I'm gonna be one
Why
with
y'all
y'all
mad at
niggas.
In-N-Out?
Y'all niggas need to put some mayonnaise on that shit.
It's not mayonnaise on it. What you talking about?
We ain't put enough. Like, it's all
How much mayonnaise you need, nigga?
But the meat don't got that much flavor. I ain't gonna hold y'all.
Hey, look, we don't got time for no games.
How much mayonnaise you need? Niggas said the meat don't have enough sauce. Nigga want all the meat be drenched in white sauce.
No, I keep it a band, bro.
You look like a fruit too.
I took a bite. I still been chewing this whole time. I ain't been able to really check nothing. It might need a little more of that.
More flavor in the meat.
Wait, hold on. Can you say it again?
Complain about the sauce, the white sauce. They complain about the meat.
And I'm not gonna lie, I don't like it.
Something about you.
Bigger bites. I gotta take bigger bites.
I gotta take bigger bites.
That shit alright.
Fuck with it.
It's alright. It just need more flavor.
How you like the fries?
The fries hit. I fuck with the fries. Yeah, fries good. Hey, this the Red Robin fries. This Red Robin job.
I don't know what's going on with him. I ain't gonna lie.
I said, you know what? I'm not gonna lie, I'm hella picky and I actually like
Appreciate
big foods. It tastes good. It's something I would order.
Yeah, I got some seafood for you a little bit later.
I love seafood.
And you know, it's like they try and bamboozle you with the Arizona. if they really cared about you, they'd have served you the mango. They was just telling me how great this meal was. I was seeing like, I would have ate some if I wasn't fasting. I would have ate. Hey, good thing that I've been building rapport with the hood. I've been playing volleyball.
What's your meal?
Yeah.
What's your meal?
Shrimp and lobster, nigga.
Up,
Hey, don't walk with your chest out. Don't walk with your chest out.
Nigga.
Hey, you had the food? You had the
walk
food?
with your chest out.
You had the food?
No, I ain't that. Hey, but you got people that's around you, they gonna try their best to down you.
Yeah.
Better keep these haters at your face.
Yeah.
Why this nigga just bust out singing? Like chicken and waffles?
I don't know. Davis isn't here.
Hey, yo,
yet.
Papi, where's the other cook, Papi?
He's not here yet.
Llámalo, mi hermano, llámalo. You know what I said,
I see. No, I don't know what you said. I don't know what you said. I don't know what you said. Oh my God, it's fucking helpless. It's fucking helpless. It's fucking.
Yo, bro.
You're not helping me. You're supposed to be a fucking chef.
No Nintendo.
Chef Mo.
No Nintendo.
Chef Mo.
What the fuck does that mean?
In the fryer. Put in the fryer.
All right.
What the fuck is you doing, bro?
Yo, this thing's an idiot.
It's the fryer right here to get the wings right here. This is the fryer, bro.
My bad. Damn. All right. Thank you for. See, you cooked something for me, my brother.
All right. Yo, put more than one.
Oh, my bad.
What the fuck?
My bad.
More than that.
All right.
Faster, bro.
Dump the whole container in that shit, nigga.
Where the fuck is Davis?
Sometimes, bro, you don't. Yo, some of y'all, man, your chefs is dirty. Yo, bro, you clean your hands today? You clean your hands today?
How you my face?
Clean your fucking hands, nigga. Get back in the truck. Clean your hands and get back in the truck,
Get
man.
back in the kitchen, nigga.
Whoa, that's sexist.
I said to you.
Really good
Question. Where did you wash your hands today?
He didn't wash his hands. He don't wash his hands. We
There
know
is
this.
nowhere to wash your hands. So where did you?
Sanitizer. You're on
With
my
what? With
dick.
what? Where is
In
it?
my
I want
car,
some.
in my car.
Can I have some?
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm calling him. He's a no call, no show, dog. No call, no show. No call, no show. He's not coming, dog. He's not picking up.
He didn't answer?
Nah.
Oh my God, I can't do this a fucking long. It's called Chris and Davis Chicken and Waffles. Chris and Davis Chicken and Waffles, and right now it's Chris Chicken and Waffles.
It could be Chris and Mo.
Chris and Mo.
Chris and Mo. Mo and Chris.
Hey.
Oh, you want to go first? Chris and Mo sounds good.
You know what I'm
Chris
saying?
and, you do Chris and Mo.
That's what I want to tell you.
Okay.
You're probably gonna come in last place. Don't let that demoralize you.
Phantom's better than you.
In what?
Life, nigga.
And now you're on Phantom's cock, riding heavily.
Nah, nigga, nigga, vote this nigga crazy.
Girl.
Phantom better.
At what?
Phantom better.
God damn. You know what I'm saying? God damn. Hey, Chef Mo. Chef Mo. It wouldn't be. Oh, no, hold on. Oh, we gonna go like. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ah, look who finally made it, bro.
What if you could create the tools you need for work yourself? With Monday.
Come on, bro. What
Yo, Bobby, where you was at, Bobby?
This shit is good.
We're at work and you eating, my boy?
We're at a restaurant. This is work, nigga.
Yo, run me my fucking chicken and waffles.
Phantom is better than you. Okay?
Yo.
Dick riding.
I got customers leaving.
Dick riding.
Good.
Bro, we wasn't doing that. We was not doing that shit.
Okay, I have a question.
I'm just trying to help you
Yo,
out.
there is not one thing being cooked right now.
Bro, come on, bro.
Y'all chilling.
Who the fuck is this nigga?
I'm gonna hook you up with some shit afterwards. And I can pay you a little extra if you just move them hating ass niggas away from my shit.
Okay, I got you.
Can you? It's one short nigga, dreads, and then one with a puppy bush. I don't have problems with nobody else. Everybody fucking cool. But Agent 000 and Cassidy,
Lil C-Nat. We call him Lil C-Nat.
Niggas a Lil C-Nat.
Up out of here. I need them to feel our pain.
Yes, right?
You see him talking to my mom right there? Okay.
Why he chase? Why he chase that nigga down here?
We gonna get him next time.
Next time?
Next time.
He kind of just burned you, bro.
Yeah.
No,
A lot of ducks and doves.
I just grab it.
Grab the whole thing, bro.
I put a waffle there.
One in each.
I put it in a waffle there.
Boom.
Hey, wait.
Hey.
No. The customer satisfaction first, nigga.
All right, no. No, I was gonna eat it. Hey, yeah, come on.
Hey. Okay. Of course I got it, chef, my brother.
Sauce it up.
Sauce
Come on, bro. Come on.
Do too much.
Sauce it up. Do too much. Sauce it up. Do too much. Oh, you're not listening. One flat, one drum, bro. If you was listening to the ordinary, the greatness of Chef Mo,
You on Chef Mo dick right now, I ain't gonna lie.
So what?
Oh.
Yeah, so what? I'm on Chef Mo's dick. So what? I'm on his dick.
Oh, whoa.
Yo.
Wait a minute. Where are we going with this?
I just wanted to hate peacefully.
Hello. Welcome to Kristen Davis's Southern Comfort Chicken and Waffle.
Who you talking to, nigga?
Make some noise if you're ready for some fucking waffles. Thank you, thank you.
I'm on hold, baby. I'm about to shut them niggas down, man. They better act quick.
Nigga going
Once I'm done with them. Actually, on some real shit, I'm doing everybody a favor. Eating Davis cooking is a mistake. I've made it before. Don't be one of me.
Come on, man. Try my shit, y'all.
This is the last most hating shit. Nigga calling the police. Nah.
Come on, bro. Come on, Avery. Try my shit. Try my shit, nigga. Hey, he a judge? You a judge?
Yeah, nah.
Hell nah. You all right. Try my motherfucking chicken and waffles. Come on, nigga.
Bro, you got salad on your shit, bro?
It's not solid. It's not solid. It's not solid.
Coastline to make it look lavish.
Come on, it is lavish, nigga.
Why you sound like that?
Well, you been in the gym. You know what I'm saying? I've been thinking about that. You know what I'm saying? Like niggas might be healthy. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, let me throw some coleslaw on it for the healthy niggas.
What kind of chicken is it, Tony?
What kind of chicken?
Yeah.
Vegan and shit. All that shit. You healthy, right?
There were some kids shooting like maybe a music video or selling food out of a food truck in his private parking lot.
In his private parking lot?
Correct.
Yo!
Okay, so I'll be happy to assist you, but so you think are they doing it now or?
Yeah, like right now, I'm looking at them do it.
How y'all liking the food? How y'all liking the food?
Said it tastes good.
Tastes good. What would you rate
I'm
it,
gonna be
bro?
real.
What'd you say?
I'm gonna be real, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, just being honest.
Okay.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it like an 8.5.
8.5. What's wrong with it? What to make it a 10?
I need a little bit. I need some of Davis's blonde, you know what I'm saying, sprinkled in that bitch, right? Duke, need to spit on it. I need to dance on this bitch. And then like one Chris's beer here.
Nothing from Agent?
You know what I'm saying? You said what?
Nothing from Agent?
Agent just need to be there and then it's straight, you know what I'm saying?
Fuck out of here with all that bullshit. Okay. Why you not eating?
I'm fasting.
Oh, you fasting?
No.
Oh, you fasting too?
Yeah, I'm fasting.
You fasting? Yeah. You fasting? Look at you eat?
Should I try speaking with them first? Like I don't know what to tell them. I guess leave.
I don't want to advise. I mean.
Yeah, hold on. Let me just try. Hey, are y'all supposed to be here? Oh my God, I think they're okay. Okay, I have to go. They're walking towards me.
Okay.
Okay, I have to.
Do you need any help?
No, I'm good. Appreciate it.
Okay.
All right.
Fuck's your bum.
I gotta go. All right.
Who the fuck you yelling at?
Okay, wait, one sec. Wait.
Come on, bro. Yo, my damn shit. Nigga, take a bite. Take a bite, nigga. Nigga, just take a bite, nigga. You can't.
You seen him make this?
Hey, you know what I'm saying? Oh no, chicken. Come on. Chicken. Damn, you just eat it with your grills like that? Come on, nigga. I wouldn't lie to you. I wouldn't do you dirty. Take your time. I want you, take your time as you judge this because it
is my humble.
I heard you don't wash your hands. That's all.
Nah, we wash our
That's
hands.
what one of the AMP members told me.
This guy that don't wash none of his hands.
Can someone hold the ladies? Come on.
Of course.
What's wrong with y'all?
Disrespectful.
We're gonna steal off the wallet. Look at the top 10 eater.
It is my humble privilege.
I hold it.
No, I got it already, man.
I hold it, sweetheart. Look, you got a fucking round next. I know you.
What was that? Something chef?
Yeah.
I like sweet.
So what we call this guy right here?
This right here is called the Davis.
I'm trying the chicken first.
All right.
You named it after yourself?
It was named after me. Agent, get the fuck out.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. You guys need to be as honest as possible here in this criticism.
Now, honestly, hey, fuck what he's saying because I'm holding your stuff. Now I got a phone in your hand. I will drop that motherfucker. But if you say it's good, you know what I'm saying, your shit is
Now,
safe.
he may not be able to run away with it, but I have perfectly capable knees. I will run with it.
Yes. Yo, you fuck with it. Look at it. You know what I'm saying?
Not bad.
It's missing something.
Not bad,
too much
though.
sauce on it.
Yo, no. I ain't gonna let you be a picky ass shit right now, bro.
Stop.
You being mad picky for no reason right now.
I ain't gonna lie.
Tighten up, bro. Tighten up.
You just hating the hate.
But I don't know if I needed the sauerkraut. I don't know
Too much sauce, but it's good though.
Okay.
Yeah, it can go. Let me see the waffle now though. Nah, the waffle's soggy, bro. What's going on?
I like the presentation.
No. That's because of the syrup. It desaturated the.
So you over sauced it?
No, I didn't over sauce it.
Oh, you did?
It's just the sauce, the type of sauce.
But you know who's not saying anything? Herb.
You just spit it out.
Oh, he didn't over sauce the waffle. Waffle over sauce it. Yeah, the what?
I'm gonna let you slide on that coon comment. Next comment, you get blocked, sent into eternity.
Let's just continue.
Okay, so I don't like waffles. Yeah, the chicken wings are good. The waffles don't. Nah, the waffles need work.
Disrespectful.
You know what it is, bro?
No, I'm gonna try. Like me personally, I don't know. But I eat my waffles like cooked properly. Like you know, it has to have a little crunch on it. This is like soggy, bro.
Hey, watch out! No, I ain't gonna lie. How you know you're not soggy?
Yeah. No.
Wait, what?
Pause.
Wait, what?
How? How is that pause?
That's pause.
I like it hard.
Whoa.
Yo, what the fuck?
Now that's pause.
That's crazy.
Way over your pause.
Hey, yo, Chris.
Yeah.
That sauce is crazy, bro. It carried everything. Man, fuck, it's a 10.
Woo! Yo! Okay. For everybody to
Here comes this hand ass nigga.
They don't wash their hands here.
No, that's called love.
That's called love. That's called love.
When you shop with your favorite retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and Target, right before you check out,
As long as you guys are okay with it.
That's where the salt comes from.
Davis actually put some of his elbow ash into the food.
Hey, I don't even have my elbows out today. That's how you know he lying. You were hating that shit.
Shave it with the green.
You do not deserve a platform.
And you deserve to be
Come on, my brother. Look, you said 7.5? Let's go a little higher. What you want in life? What you want in your life right now, bro?
I got a nice place. I got a nice place we can hoop at. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, I got a nice.
Nah, he don't care about basketball, nigga. See, and I knew that. He didn't know that.
Ain't no funny shit.
I really care about you.
Hey, sometimes I be going to Icebox and just buying niggas I go with shit. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I need a new chain. I need a chain.
Hey, you want some grills too?
Yeah.
You gonna let him lie to you like that?
Yeah, this shit a 10, man.
Talk to me, gang. Now what you gonna say?
I literally have a video.
God himself, I cooked that shit with a little bit of help too. But I'm just saying. God, bro. What you gonna do?
I see Mo cooking by himself right now, bro.
Hey, W press in the chat, nigga. I just press you.
L press.
I just press you.
L press.
Hey, I just pressed him.
Yo, bro. He's cooking right now.
No.
Oh, bro.
Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Look!
I'm cooking this shit right now. I wasn't cooking this shit. Look at Evans. I'm dead ass cooking right now.
What do you mean?
You just got in there.
What do you mean?
You here to take care of them? You here to take care of them right there?
Yeah.
Good. Good.
Yo,
okay. Get it.
Nigga throwing him in the trunk.
It's automatic, buddy.
Nigga, yeah.
Hey, more.
Nigga close up. Chunk on his like, oh wow.
He already talked to security.
It don't even matter, man. We sold out because we did so fucking good. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, look, yeah, we see you hating and shit, trying to tear us down. But my brother is doing good anyway.
It's not me, man. It's not me.
Hey, get this nigga off the premises. Get this nigga off the premises, please.
Y'all trying to eat free food? What up, y'all? We got some lobster and shrimp for y'all, man.
Waffle and shrimp. That sounds either delicious or fucking atrocious.
Hey, bro, this is called, in the business, I'm a businessman now. I got a truck. This is called customer acquisition. My customer acquisition cost $0. Check this out. Y'all trying to eat some free food? We got some lobster and shrimp. Yo, went to the spot, got me some breaded shrimp. You know what I'm saying? Some hot breaded shrimp right here, man. This already cooked, low key. So, just in case we, you know what I'm saying, we fuck up the meal a little bit. Publix had me covered. Kroger had me covered. Really, all the groups I think cheated. Definitely David's group. They cheated like shit. So, I'm on timing. Hey, we ready?
Free food. It's like a food court. That we call it? Food court.
Food truck.
Food truck. Right around this corner right here.
Right here?
If you're not busy.
What kind of food is it?
What?
I'm pescatarian.
Oh, what do it mean?
I'm not sure.
That means
Fuck that mean?
It's seafood. It's seafood.
Has you see a little man with red hat?
Hey, look. She finna go get some seafood.
roach.
What she call it? Presbyterian?
Pescatarian.
She finna eat some sea roaches.
That's exactly what she said.
The seafood, whatever the fuck they call it, the chef says they can't serve it. It's unservable.
Yo! Nigga,
What the fuck is going on, bro? What happened? The actual food had ran out. Nah, I'm joking.
Oh, cause I ate like 30. I ain't gonna lie. I'm just by myself, man, holding it down, doing them customer acquisition. You know what I'm saying? It's called guerrilla marketing. You feel me? When you walk the
Dude, why would you leave this nigga in the kitchen? Agent, you are a better salesman than this nigga. Y'all need to switch roles. Dude, get back in the kitchen.
budget to spend crazy, it's called guerrilla marketing. Is what some of you do where you just
not saying Duke is not as good as a salesman as Agent. This nigga Agent really sells shit. Duke, you are better cook than this nigga. Why is y'all in the boat? I need to switch roles.
really use. No, bro, I have no idea how to do any of this. So I'm gonna start with the shrimp, and then we're gonna move on to the lobster. I wish I had Duke here right now. Let's take a look on the shrimp. Oh my God, it's close. It's close. Woo!
Hey, what's up, dog?
How did the customer acquisition go?
Come on, man. You see the line outside, man. What a
We got gloves for you right here, man.
Yep. I need them.
You know what I'm saying? I got this open up. The shrimp is cooking right there, man. So
sanitary.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is what we're about to do. I'm gonna have you butter up the buns.
Okay.
And like toast them for me.
Toast them, motherfucker.
And we're gonna put these in together.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I'm gonna take care of the shrimp, and we gotta do one more last shrimp.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're looking good right now. Hey, security. Hey, Kai, please don't make too much noise. Security, if anyone acts up, bro, pack him up. ASAP. If you hear a noise.
Hey, gang. So boom, right? So I'm putting butter in this
the middle and on the outside. Boom. And then flip it.
Toast some first, then throw the butter, nigga.
If I was cooking in this kitchen, I put more than one down, bro.
What? More than one what? This is the fourth one.
Bro, y'all niggas is bad slow.
Yeah.
Come on, bro. You can't be that hateful. Hey, bro, get out. Get out. Security!
Hey, man, what he at, man? What a nigga at, man?
No?
Yeah.
Tell him to leave.
Fucking wrong with you?
I'm not gonna lie, dude. I overcooked this, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Why you trying to make it leave? Because I thought we could fucking handle it.
Get where you at,
bro? Shut the fuck up. Get out.
Bro, you ain't even got this shit ready yet, nigga.
Hey, buddy, get the crowd hype, will you? Yo, Asia, perform, nigga. Perform. Yo, get sturdy, bro.
They not quiet as shit. They're not even having a good time.
That is your job.
That's your job. You get sturdy. Nah. Yo, get sturdy, bro. Yo, get the crowd hype, bro.
Shut the fuck up.
Yo, Duke, hey, yo, bitch. Yo, Duke, come out here. Duke, go and do a backflip. God damn.
Bro, New York niggas talking about do a backflip. You already know what I'm gonna tell them niggas to do.
Okay. Look, dude, don't say nothing, but I do have some already cooked shrimp here, and I have some already cooked bread there that's already toasted. So if we fuck up for whatever reason, we're straight.
Hey, man, tell everybody in the crowd to shut the fuck up.
Okay. That shit whack, nigga.
Hey, I need quiet.
Yo, nigga, it's his food. Where is y'all security?
Yo, my niggas. Hey, my niggas. I ain't gonna lie. Diamonds in their mouth, man. Wait, hold on. Everybody be quiet. If I was y'all, I'll run the back of this truck and
That's me though.
Yo!
For me, creativity starts with what ifs. What if there's fire?
One of these niggas is Top 10 haters.
Oh, we scared of bullets. Nigga, shoot us, nigga. Shoot us, nigga. Hey, my nigga is ready to die for us. My niggas, hey, you shoot him. Shoot him, nigga. He ready to die.
Nah.
That's a crazy champ.
Nigga.
Hey, niggas begging. Hey, all the niggas begging, man. They begging.
We go. This not a fast food truck. This seafood. Hey. I don't like y'all inciting violence. I don't like y'all inciting violence. What we're not about to have it.
I got my first two for my dogs right here.
Yeah. Hey, follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram.
Follow my dogs on Instagram right here. Hey, look, come on. This nigga been begging all day. Nigga been begging all motherfucking day. Hey, look, nigga been chatting the whole time. Nigga get food.
Oh, he's stealing.
Hey, look, nigga.
Hell nah.
Bro, it's like all the hard work, bro. There's no appreciation. It's just more criticism and more hate, and it's from people I thought were friends. Pretty fucked up.
It's the old man.
Yo, I know you here. Now we out to the back. You know what's funny is they didn't even cook for their own.
Hey yo, start that shit down. Don't stop trying.
I'm getting bullied. I'm just gonna call the police. I'm like 1 second away from just calling the police. I'm not pissed. Yeah.
He crying? He got tears in his eyes. Hey. Yo, buddy, you had to throw it up on him, gang.
That's crazy.
Look, he about to quit his job. Yo, greatest shit of has shut this shit down. Nigga. Yo, you are out of business. Nigga, go get a J-O-B. You are not an entrepreneur, nigga. Yo, you got fired from your own job.
Yo, this is tight.
Hey, leave my man's alone, bro. What you talking about over there, man? Get out of here, man.
Where the fuck you come from? Where was you the whole time, nigga?
Y'all sure y'all want to eat their food though? But I mean, shit. Would you trust Duke and AJ cooking for you? Yeah, what's up? Yeah.
I mean, but they not the chefs though.
That's what I'm saying. Nah, that's it.
I think you're just being L-Mans for it though.
You're being weird.
I'm not being weird. Like, they're supposed to be your brothers and you're not even supporting them.
Nah, slick. You supposed to be like, shit is whack. Shit.
How you know?
Alright, you know what? I'm gonna let you eat the food and throw up, nigga. That's what I get for trying to look out for another brother. Fuck it.
Throw up is crazy.
Yo. Nah. Lower your ass camera.
Bro, chill, bro. You said you got what? You got more, nigga. Let me rub it in there, you know what I'm saying?
What's this happening, man? What's this happening?
I'm not ready to die for Duke.
Excuse me?
I said I'm not ready to die for Duke.
Too many black people out here. You want to tell Duke that you're not ready to die? Come on.
Do a backflip! Do a backflip!
Hey, bro. We got goddamn no water. We got Coke and Dr. Pepper type shit.
What the fuck?
What type of nigga this is? Yo, this is a fucking lobster restaurant, my brother. That's the only shit I got. Bro, get the fuck out my face. Oh my god.
Hey, I wasn't gonna talk to you like that. Yeah, I'm gonna see you after work. Hey, I'm gonna see you after work.
We got the seafood. We got Asian and Duke. I don't know how it's gonna be. I'm a little nervous, but we gonna see. I like seafood. I'm anxious. I'm excited. I love seafood, so I hope they impress me.
Bro, why the fuck is Bro, why the fuck?
It's a Yelp review, bro. You scared, nigga? It's a Yelp review,
bro. Why is y'all worried, bro? Why the fuck y'all worried about my business though?
Okay, but what this got to do with you? What this got to do with you though? Mind your business.
Are you you a lobster landlord? You just bitch ask your motherfuckers like, you know what I'm saying? Like, mind your business.
Hey, yo, all right, you got it.
Hey, fellas, listen. Of course.
I'll hold that for you. Bev of choice?
It's a lobster.
You got some water, my brother?
Yikes, we don't do water, just soft drinks.
What we got?
Coke, Dr. Pepper, Sprite, orange juice.
Give me one of the Sprites, man. I'll take an orange juice, man. I'll take a
Coke.
Orange juice,
Okay,
seafood?
Hey, listen. Hey, look. Before y'all dig in, all right? It's about presentation. Okay. It did not present it well.
Does it taste matter?
Yeah. No. I was going down.
It's got like a chicken salad aroma.
Smell like Goo Lagoon water.
Yeah.
Nigga, what?
Texture.
Nigga said Goo Lagoon.
Hold on. Chill, nigga. Let me talk to these niggas, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Do your thing, man.
Chill,
Do your thing.
bro. Look at him. He's so. Look at this nigga, man. Oh, nah, nigga do this right here. His raps.
That means it's incredible.
Hey, dude, this shit ass, bro.
I'm sorry, bro. I got the real.
No, that's
So how you feel?
Chris Mans. He literally paid him to say that.
No.
This tastes like an MRE, my boy. Tastes like an MRE. And you know we don't like that, bro. Come on.
This is the last cooking video I do, bro, because niggas keep trolling. Last one was Omar. This time is this. That's Chris Mans, bro. That's Chris Mans. You might have to. Not right now, though. Not right now. Wait till.
Nah.
What do you got? Yo, everybody go right back.
Yo!
Hey, dude, I got you.
Hey, after these 3 days of tasting, man, after deliberation, the chopped cheese, chicken and waffles, this amazing lobster roll, we decided on a team. That team is
Phantom and
that shit was dry. It was hella.
Yo, they doubted us. Look at them now. Hi, there. Yeah, nigga, you doubted us. Look at us now. Fuck, nigga. You feel what I'm saying? Lame ass, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look. A lobster roll is ass, bro. Hey, look, man. Where the other judge at? I'm missing the judge. New York up. Yo, we up 2,000. 2,000. Up 1,000. 2,000. 3,000. What you talking about, man? Come on, 3,000, man. 4,000, 5,000. 10,000. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. Round me. Please round me. Clap it up, y'all. Clap it up right quick. Yeah.
Nah.
I never felt it before.
Excuse me. Hey,
Hold on. Let me say congratulations.
Oh, yeah, from Chef Mo.
Yeah, congratulations, dog.
Hey, appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that, bro. Know what I'm saying? For me, yeah, winners only. Hey, look.
Oh, nah.
Hey, clap it up for Kai Phantom real quick. Clap it up for Kai Phantom.
Bro, the edit right there with.
Hey, hold on. You used to go to jail for that, bro. You used to go to jail for that, bro. For riding dick for no license.
Of course.
You get boom. You get boom. No, you get boom, nigga. You get boom, nigga. No, you get boom, nigga.
Every video.
Niggas saying they outside. Niggas saying they outside. Send the addy, we gon' slide. Air it out when we arrive. Poppin' that shit, but they done with the smoke. She like it rough when we fuck on, grabbing that fucking phone. Niggas saying they outside. Send the addy, we gon' slide.